Hi everyone, Kim here for Treasurely Kit Club and Chipboard. What I've got for you today is our July kit reveals. And as you know, Treasurely has 3 different kits and we reveal them with a video each month. And so for July, I'm going to go ahead and reveal all 3 of our kits. But before we get to that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below so you're notified whenever we upload videos. We do tutorials with our kits, so we don't want you to miss out on that. And then make sure you hit the little bell notification so you'll be notified when our videos go up, because YouTube won't let you know otherwise. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into these kit reveals. We're going to start off with our scrapbook kit. And here you have it here. This is our scrapbook kit for July. It is for the beginner to the advanced. And we're going to start off with flowers with Treasurely. We love flowers, so there's always going to be plenty of flowers in your kit to embellish your pages. First off, we've got a pack of Enchanted Petals. You've got 7 pieces, and this is from 49 in Market. And these are in the color Mint. Next up, you've got another pack of Enchanted Petals, and again there's 7 pieces in here, and these are in the color Sea Glass and also from 49 in Market. I'm doing my best I can with the glare, sorry about that with my lights. And if you hear a little noise in the background, that's just the ceiling fan. It's super hot here, so I've got the air going and the ceiling fan. For our third pack of flowers, we've got some garden petals. And you get 12 pieces in here, and these are in the color Ballet Slipper, and these were all chosen to perfectly coordinate with our papers. We've also got a yard of this white lace. How pretty is that? So you get a full yard of that. And also you're going to get some chipboard in your kit, and this is Treasurely's own chipboard. You can visit our website at www.treasurelikits.com, and you can click on shopping. There you'll find all our chipboard and all of our past kits. And if you're watching this and you're not a subscriber, you'll also find our these current kits there as well. But it's best to subscribe because our kits tend to sell out. So first off, you've got some leaves. And like I said, these are Treasurely's own, and they're laser cut. So you're going to get 2 of those. You're also going to get some swirls. And you're going to get a set of those. And if you visit the website and go to the blog, or just visit the website, and all the stuff will be listed so you'll be able to find it. But make sure once you're over there you subscribe to our newsletter as well, so you'll also be notified there whenever our kits come out, whenever we load new chipboard images, you'll just be notified. We've also got these wishing bubbles and baubles in coral, and your 67 coated stickers in here. If you haven't figured out, we got a little theme going on. Everything is from 49 in Market this month. We tried to do international papers, but 49 in Market had such a really pretty line, a couple of lines released. And even though our sheet says Collector Edition Volume 1, we are actually just doing the Vintage Artistry in Colors Edition, just the regular paper, not the Vintage Artistry in Colors. So this is just a bonus sheet that you've got with a sheet of paper on the back. All the other stuff listed is not included. Like I said, I'm going to go through everything. So this is basically just a bonus sheet of paper. And here is the rest of our paper. I love this watercolor effect on here. And this paper is double-sided. Their B-side's kind of plain if you don't like the images on the front. But I just love the feel to this spring summery feel. And there's your back side. You've got a nice dark textured sheet there. And this is so pretty with the soft muted colors. The flowers will give you that big pop of color, and on the back you've got the deeper color. But it's just so pretty. And then there's that color. I think this one is my favorite sheet, although it's not much to it. I just love the mix of colors. And there's the back side. We've had a lot of more masculine kits, so this one being a little bit softer is definitely right up my alley. And here's one full of butterflies. And there's the back side. So this is our July scrapbook kit. And like I said, it can be found on our website at www.treasurelykits.com. This kit is $40 plus a $12 shipping, so $52, and that is US shipping only. For international, we have to charge exact shipping. So let's move on to our cards, tags, and more kit. For our cards, tags, and more kit, we've got paper, we've got stamps, we've got flowers. So let's start with the flowers. We've got more flowers from 49 to Market. These are in ivory, and they're the Majestic Bouquet, and you've got 7 pieces in here. And you've got some different sizes, so these are really pretty on cards or tags or whatever you choose to make with this kit. This is our more versatile kit. That's why it's called Cards, Tags, and More. You can do cards, you can do tags, you can do more mini albums. We've also got some white seam binding here. You've got some more Treasure Lee's original chipboard here, and you've got the open butterflies, so you've got 2 of those. You've also got some clear stamps with sentiments on it. So when you make your stamp, you can include sentiments on the inside if you don't like your handwriting, like I don't like my handwriting on the inside or even the outside. But you've got 12 pieces here. We've also got a die, a crochet doily, and there's 1 piece in here. So you've got a die as well. And now for the papers in this kit. These are by Dress My Craft, and they're called Shabby Blues. And there's actually 10 sheets of paper in here. So let's start. And this is single-sided, that's why you get so many sheets, but it's so pretty. I think I've got it upside down. Let's turn this around so you can see the designs better. Alrighty. There's 1 sheet. And I love how this is just a mix. You can make masculine, feminine cards, vintage cards, or vintage tags, or whatever you choose to do with this. But it's so, so, so pretty. I'm just really loving it. And the images on here are very subtle. Look at that, the little house image. How subtle is that? How nice is that? And then you've got some text print over here. This is my favorite sheet in the whole pack. I love anything that's got script stamp on it. You've got some more, some damask. And here's our last sheet. It's got more script stamping on it. But this is our Cards, Tags, and More kit. This kit is $30 and the $12 shipping. And again, like I said, that is US shipping only. And again, you can find it at our website at www.treasurelykits.com. So go ahead and head over and take a look. But remember, the best thing to do is subscribe so you don't miss out on the kit. And the best thing with our kits is you don't have to wait. As long as your payment is in before or by the 1st of the month, then your kit is going to ship out, so you'll have it. There's no waiting till the 5th of the month, and you know, after everybody's seen the kit. We also do a email prior to shipping kits for all our subscribers, so they get a view of what the kit is. And if they're not subscribed to all our kits, if they want to order an extra kit, and there's always a code in there so that that kit goes in with your subscription, so you don't pay any extra shipping for it. So those are just a couple of the benefits of subscribing with us. No waiting until the 5th of the month to see the kit. For the most part, unless it's a holiday or the weekend. We don't reveal on weekends, but if it's a holiday or weekend, we won't reveal. Other than that, we reveal our kits on the 1st of the month. So next up is our third kit our mixed media kit. So we'll be right back. For July, for our mixed media kit, if you've never seen our mixed media kit, then it's more than just mediums. We always include a project. So this is a standalone kit that you can subscribe to by yourself, and you'll be able to use it as soon as you open the box, because we always include a project with our mediums so you can use them. But it also helps you build your stash of mediums. If you look back through some of our past videos, you'll always see me referencing, well, I'm using this medium from a past kit or that medium from a past kit. So that's how you just build up your stash, and you get to try different things. So for July, we've got some ice resin, and we've also got some molds. Let's start with the molds, because molds are pretty big. These molds are from Stamperia, and they're the frame molds, and they're kind of mini molds, but you get, mini frames, but you get 7 different frames in here. And how nice is it to be able to create your own frames? So once you have this, you can keep using this over and over and over again. So that's the fun part about having this mold. And with that mold, we're going to use some of the ice resin, and this is to see if you like it. You can use this for jewelry making or mixed media, but there's no mixing with this one. If you buy the bigger bottles, you're going to have some mixing, but there's no mixing with this one. You have equal parts of the solution that you need, and you just go ahead and squeeze these into your frames to go ahead and make your frames and let it set up. You've got all the directions on the back, and there will be a video on how to use this, but that's used to make your frames. And then once your frames are all done, how about creating a little mini canvas with it? So you've got this 8x8 canvas, and it's a canvas panel, so it's flat. You know, there's no wood backing to it, but you've got this flat canvas panel to go ahead and create a nice mixed media panel. And what we decided to do to help you create that panel is we went with a monochromatic color scheme, and we included some acrylic paints in here, and these are Dina Wakeling media paints, and we've got 3 different colors for you. We've got turquoise, which is that go ahead and lighter blue. We've also got peacock, which is a little bit deeper. And then for the deepest color, we've got ocean. And then to go along with that, we've got a pack of mini series cobalt blue flowers to help you go ahead and create your project. And our mixed media kit sells for $35 plus the $12 shipping for this kit. And again, I keep telling you, you can find it all at our website at www.treasurelykits.com. But this has been the reveal for all 3 of our kits. Remember, you can go ahead and subscribe to one or any combination of kits. All that information is on our website. So why don't you head on over, take a look at our kits. There's some past kits that are still available. And go ahead and take a look at our chipboard too. Hit the website, click the link that says shop at the top, and then take your pick. If you click on chipboards, what you'll get is a page, and you'll have all our categories. Just click on each category to see what's available in each one. But this has been Kim for Treasure Lee Kits and Chipboard. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in another video later. And again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Bye.